Solving third-degree equations. Solve for x. X cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6 equals 0. Solution. Let f of x equals x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. Using the factor theorem, we can find the linear factor of the form ax plus b. Possible factors: x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 2, x plus 3, x minus 3, x plus 6, x minus 6. To check whether x plus 1 is a factor, we substitute x equals negative 1 in f of x. F of negative b over a equals f of negative 1 equals negative 1 cubed plus 2 times negative 1 square minus 5 times negative 1 minus 6 equals negative 1 plus 2 plus 5 minus 6 equals 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor. We can now use long division to find the quotient. F of x equals x plus 1 times x squared plus x minus 6. We can now factorize the quadratic polynomial. F of x equals x plus 1 times x minus 2 times x plus 3. Therefore, x equals negative 1, or x equals 2, or x equals negative 3.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Mesky to help you, and let the math finally start mathing.